this is Nick Ang with the Boathouse. I want to welcome you aboard our new listing. It's 2021 Tiara 43LE. This boat's equipped with triple Mercury 450s. Out here in the cockpit of this boat, you can configure it many ways, depending on how you and your family are going to be using the boat. Right here, as you walk in, you have a nice day kitchen, a good space. You've got soft doors if you want to close it up, depending on the weather, and they're easy to open. What's nice about this door setup is you don't have the hard rattly doors while you're underway. These are really nice and easy to work, and they don't make any noise. While you're here at the galley area, you do have two fridges that pull out, one here, and these are thermostat controlled, so you can control their temperature. You have a nice sink, some cut tops, a place to put some food, but then right here, when you're ready to run, you can come up to your helm. You have access to run your Seakeeper gyro over here on the port side, as well as on your Garmin over here on the starboard side. At the helm, you've got the joystick piloting with the autopilot built in. You've got your Lumar bow thruster, your twin Mercury binnacle control for your trips, engine start stop, your Lenco trim tabs, twin 16-inch Garmins, and all the controls for the rest of the electronics on the boat. They're also dual climate controlled up here at the helm. So depending on if somebody likes it hot or cold, you can go out and just turn it up to where you like it. Down below on this Tiara 43LE, you have room for your guests for your nice overnight stays. As you first go down into the stateroom, you've got a very nice pedestal bed. To starboard is your head compartment with a dry stall shower. As you move aft into the mid-berth, you've actually got a good queen-size mattress back there, plenty of storage, and two hanging lockers for you and your guests' clothing. Please reach out to us at the Boathouse. This is Nick Ang. You can reach me at 239-851-1443. Look forward to seeing you on the water.